I think the budgies get scared when there's a thunderstorm. We're on the coast of a hurricane. Let's go check on the lovebird. How would you guys like a little bit of a hurricane? Do you hear the thunder? Do you hear it, you guys? You do, don't you? You just don't want to admit that you're scared. Oh, that was a lightning flash. You guys scared? Whoa! Did you hear that? That was kind of freaky. Whoa! That made me jump too, guys. Let's see, what do you got on your beak? The 3rd of July thunderstorms. What was the 4th? Oh, I hope you guys are okay. The budgies are scared too. You're not alone, Liz. It's okay. I'm right here with your toys and your moon and the blankets to keep you warm. Bye-bye.